Number 1. The Balanced Choice, XBAL. Our first pick is for the cautious beginner who wants growth but also wants a safety net. It's the iShares Core Balanced ETF Portfolio, ticker symbol XBAL, currently priced at $33.72 per share. XBAL is structured with roughly 60% stocks and 40% buy. This is similar to a medium-risk portfolio that your banking advisor might put you in, except instead of paying 2.20% in fees for their mutual fund, you are only paying 0.18% with this ETF. Another big difference is the amazing returns. This ETF is a great performer. Many investors have been happy with the performance. Last year, XBAL was up 13.33%. This is amazing performance for an ETF listed holding 40% bonds. It was up 46.57% over the past 5 years. With the 60-40 split, stocks are your engine for growth. Bonds are your safety. When the stock market crashes, bonds usually hold their value or even go up, cushioning the blow, and in the meantime, you collect distribution and interest payments from the bonds. So your entire investment is working for you all the time. This is a fantastic set-it-and-forget-it option if the idea of a major market drop keeps you up at night.